I've been learning, I've been praying in the midnight. I've been staying in your word you were preparing. Now I hear your voice declaring, go and shine into the darkness, go and speak to dry bones now. Though I'm weak, I say I'm ready. Lord, I'm standing on your vow. I've got empty hands, but I'm chosen. Grace has filled me to the brim. You're sending me out with the power of your name. You're sending me out everywhere to praise and proclaim. To the broken, to the lost, with the message of the cross. You're sending me out. Oh yes, you're sending me out. What I've learned becomes my weapon. Truth and love, my strong direction. Every trial, every question, make me fit for this commission. Called to be a messenger, changed to be the message too. Like the 12 you sent before me, now you're sending me for you. I've got empty hands, but I'm chosen. Grace is rising up again. You're sending me out. Come on, with the power of your name. You're sending me out to the streets and hearts in pain. To the broken, to the lost, with the message of the cross. You're sending me out. Yes, Lord, you're sending me out. Not by might, but by your Spirit. Not by strength, but grace within. But not my words, but what you're speaking. Now I'll rise and I'll begin. You're sending me out with your fire and your truth. You're sending me out with a heart made new by you. To the nations, to the streets, I will go and be your feet. You're sending me out. Hallelujah, you're sending me out. Yes, I'll go where you lead me. Yes, I'll go where you need me. To the hurting and the hopeless, you're sending me out. Yes, you're sending me out. Yes, you're sending me